Hi guys, this is Ian from Tech Essentials. Today we are going to review one of the most popular keyboards in the Philippine market today, the Rakk Ilis. This here is the latest version of the Rakk Ilis. The company made a slight change with their keyboard, swapping the ABS keycaps to PBT. I got myself a unit with the red switches, as you can see in the box. Right above that, you'll see some of the other features this keyboard supports, such as RGB backlight, anti-ghosting, 50 million keystroke lifespan, and 1000 MHz polling rate. You can't really complain about the box, as this keyboard is still within the budget keyboard space. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. The Rakk Ilis rocks that old school IBM Model M color scheme. The layout is not something we commonly see. It's a mix between a traditional full-size keyboard and a 10 keyless keyboard. The Rakk Ilis has 96 keys with a multifunction numpad to compress the functionality into a smaller frame. The way this works is that you have to press the top right button to switch functionalities between numpad and TKL mode. Honestly, I'm personally digging this layout. It makes the keyboard look more compact. It doesn't have the spaces that you get from a typical TKL keyboard, and I like that a lot. One distinctive feature of this keyboard is the detachable magnetic top cover. Due to this customizable feature, it really makes this keyboard a great entry-level keyboard if you're starting to get into the scene. Some people like the look of floating keys, so if you're buying this, you can take the cover off anytime. As for me, I like the shroud to be on because it adds to the sleekness of the design. Moving on to the fonts, it actually has improved from the previous version. The previous version had a more gamey type font, but the current version is a more standard sans serif, which is perfect to serve any type of customer. Taking a keycap off, you'll see the switches. Again, these are red Autemo switches. They have another option for blue switches, but you can replace these anytime, as this is a hot swappable PCB special for Autemo switches. There are 18 light modes with varying brightness and colors, so let me just cycle through them quickly. Now on to the build quality. The keyboard is actually very heavy. I came from a traditional membrane keyboard, and this thing might be twice or thrice the weight of that, which makes it feel much more premium. There is virtually no flex on this keyboard and feels like it's built very well. Just make sure to take care of the top shell, as it's only made of plastic. But other than that, it's all very solid. My final thoughts, I think this is a great value keyboard for its price. For 2,000 pesos, you can get a premium looking and feeling keyboard. I actually got this for way less than 2,000. It came down to 1,800 on the mid-year sale in Shopee. Then I added a coupon for it to come down to 1,600. So 1,600 is definitely not bad for a keyboard this good. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.